All right, we got these amazing massage roller sticks. I have a total of 3, and I recommend getting at least 3. I mean, you could just do 1, but I recommend getting at least 3 because there's different reasons for different, or they're sort of the same reason, but it's like different rollers have different, like this one's more firm, it's longer but more firm. This one's got like a softer feel here, and this one's shorter, also probably a little bit even more firm. But you can use all of them in similar ways. But basically, if you're feeling, I got to be careful of any making any health claims, but a lot of people use these when they're done working out. And say, you know, you're feeling a vibe here, you roll it on the muscle right here. Or you could, maybe you're feeling something down here, or even come around back, and you're just sending vibes to yourself right here. Or, you know, you got some arm vibes going on, maybe down here. You could even do like a neck thing, or maybe maybe you got some back stuff going on right here. And also, yeah, that other thing is like I could lay down on the floor, have someone else, or on the couch or whatever, have someone else do it for me, and that just adds to the relaxation. But straight up, these are amazing. Highly recommend.